Welcome back guys, myself Piyush Goyal, company secretary from Jaipur, and in this video we are going to discuss how to convert your private limited company into the निधि company। यानी आप अपनी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी को निधि कंपनी में किस तरीके से कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, वो हम यहाँ आज के वीडियो में जो है कवर करने वाले हैं। और दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी प्रैक्टिकल and I will discuss each and every process for converting your private limited company into the Nidhi company, and what are the process involved in conversion of the private limited company into the Nidhi company, and how to convert the company into Nidhi company, right? So this is a very important video to understand each and every process, and what are the practical problems in conversion of the private limited company to Nidhi company. First of all, we have to understand what are the purpose of Nidhi company. Nidhi company is created basically for the giving loan or accepting deposit from members. Before giving a loan or accepting deposit from members, any person who wants to take the loan, first you have to become the member of the that Nidhi company, right? So this is the whole process for conversion. First step, you have to understand the Nidhi companies. In Nidhi company, a non-banking type of financial company operates on the principle of mutual benefit, right? Taking deposits from and providing loans to members. These companies are regulated under the Nidhi Rules 2014 and serve as a financial institution catering the savings and credit needs of the members. Reason for conversion. What are the reasons for conversion? We have to understand before the conversion of private limited company into the Nidhi company, what are the reasons for conversion? Converting a private limited company to Nidhi company can be motivated by several factors. First of all, community focused Nidhi companies predominantly serve as small communities, helping them pool their resources and support their financial needs. Nidhi structure. The transitions to Nidhi company, the business can access a more suitable legal structure that align the goal of mutual benefit. Simplified operations. Third is the legal and regulatory consideration. The process of conversion of private limited company to Nidhi company requires adherence to the specific legal and regulatory requirements. Eligibility. Ensure that private limited company meets the eligibility criteria prescribed under the Nidhi Rule 2014. Shareholders approval. After that, you have to obtain the shareholder approval, obtain the consent of shareholders through a special resolution to convert a private limited company into the Nidhi company. Name change. Alter the name of company to reflect the new status as a Nidhi company. In fourth step, share capital member deposit. Adjust the share capital and comply with the minimum deposit requirement set by the Nidhi rules. Fifth requirement is Nidhi company compliance. Familiarize yourself with the Nidhi rules and ensure compliance with the necessary regulations for Nidhi companies. Fourth is financial implication. The transformation from a private limited company to Nidhi company may have financial implication. Change in financial model. Adapt the financial model to cater the unique needs of members. And after the interest rate, benefit of Nidhi company classification. We have already discussed the benefits of the conversion. First is mutual benefit. Second is simplified operation. Fourth is local empowerment. And sixth is informing stakeholder. So this is the whole process for conversion of your private limited company into the Nidhi company. If you have any query related to the conversion of private limited into the Nidhi company, then you can also contact on the number given on the screen. If you have a query related to the income tax, GST, TDS company compliances, and import export, you can also contact on the number given on the screen. Thank you very much for watching this video.